Hi there, Avi here. In the last video, we introduced the Python coding language with a hello world. In this video, we will write a program that will actually talk back to you. So, let's get started. This is our code. Try running it and see how it works. Okay, I'll break it down now. This time, we have 2 lines of code. We can describe it like this. Line 1, assign to user answer the result of input with the parameter, what's your name? And line 2, print the concatenation of hi and user answer. So what's going on here? Line 1 uses 3 things for the first time here. User answer is what we call a variable. We use variables to hold data. Input is a function. Functions do things. Lastly, what's your name is, in this case, 2 things. 1, it's a parameter to the input function, and 2, it's also what we call a string. Parameters are ingredients for functions to work, and strings are, simply put, just text. I recommend you try changing some of the code and rerun your program. Does it still work? Are you getting any error messages? If you ever get stuck, you can refer back to my code, which I've included in a link below this video. Have any questions about Python, the greeting program, or anything I said in this video? Leave a comment down below. Thanks for joining me. In the next video, I'll cover how to make a tip calculator in Python.